Hello people, today I'm doing a V3 tier list. So let's start with Angie. In my opinion, she's okay. Now Gonta. He is very nice. Himiko. She's so cutie. Okay, now Mr. Robot. He cool. Mrs. Piano Girl. She noise. Katoaka Astronaut Boy. Kurumi, I think. She was such a nice woman. Kokichi. Korkyu. The girl that choked Kokichi TT. Miuiruma, the ultimate inventor. Orantaro da chill boy. Forgot this guy's name. Shuichi. Tenko. I'm pretty sure she was the mastermind. Okay, we're done now. Have a good day, y'all.